something that is super important that you absolutely need to know that they don't teach you in school. And that is how to make a resume if you're in science. This TikTok is going to be super useful for you if you're somebody who's in high school, who is in university still, or who just recently graduated and has a degree in science. For full disclosure, I did go to the University of Waterloo and I have a degree in biology, and I was part of the cooperative education program, meaning we had to apply for at least 5 jobs in our undergrad, and I used to struggle creating resumes. So now that I know how to do it, this is something that I want to teach to everybody. This is probably going to be in multiple parts, so I'm going to try to get through a little bit in this first TikTok. Talk about some general things before getting into specifics, but the first thing you need to know if you're in science is, I know we've all seen those really flashy, colorful resumes that look really nice and they're super aesthetic, and that's great. But that's not necessary if you're in science. You could just go for a regular black and white one. That is absolutely fine. And just make sure it's like formatted in a very aesthetically pleasing way. Number 2, always, always, always include a cover letter with your resume. Some people might tell you, oh, that's not necessary. No, don't listen to them. They're trying to sabotage you. Always include one. If you need tips on how to write one, I will create another TikTok video just for that. 3, it's better to include your university email as your email rather than your personal email, just because it looks a lot more professional. Number 4, you should be tailoring every single resume of yours to the job you're applying to. That doesn't mean you have to redo everything. It just might mean you have to reorder certain things. And I'm running out of time here, so I will go over these specific sections in upcoming TikTok.